You should call it Dunder Mifflin Infinity. Push the words together.
Welcome to Copy on Camera, exploring believable brands in make-believe. In this episode, I'm going to be doing a copywriting ad breakdown of Dunder Mifflin Infinity, which is a very specific part of the Dunder Mifflin story. Make sure you click that button and subscribe, because there are a lot of make-believe companies, and boy, am I going to cover them. We all know The Office. We know that it's a failing paper company, and at one point, Ryan, former temp, now promoted to muckety-muck corporate part of Dunder Mifflin, he has a new plan to revolutionize Dunder Mifflin, bring him into the modern age, and he creates Dunder Mifflin Infinity. I'll let him explain.
Dunder Mifflin Infinity represents a floor-to-ceiling streamlining of our business model. The centerpiece of the campaign is a new business-to-business website interface that will allow us to compete directly with big box chains.
Okay, so they want to go business to business, they want to go head to head against these big paper companies, and so they hire an outside agency to produce a commercial to help get the local businesses interested in signing up with Dunder Mifflin for all their paper needs. The messaging is slick, that the customers don't want to go to big box stores, they want a local place, but it's not highlighting the local element of Dunder Mifflin. Outside of the people waving in that part of the ad, who knows anything about them as people? Also, if Ryan's plan is to do business-to-business marketing, then why is there just one guy going to a big box store? We don't know he represents a business. He just looks like a guy dressed for work. So we got to show a little more business to business, not business to consumer. Obviously, Michael Scott did not like that ad for Dunder Mifflin.
People are stupid. People like waving. Waving sells, not art.
And so he produces his own version. I will do my best to read the voiceover. It all starts with an idea. But you can never tell where an idea will end up. Because ideas spread, they change, grow. They connect us with the world. And in a fast-moving world where good news moves at the speed of time, and bad news isn't always what it seems. Because when push comes to shove, we all deserve a second chance to score. Dunder Mifflin, limitless paper in a paperless world. So, couple notes. Obviously, this was written for a sitcom. It's supposed to demonstrate Michael and his ineptitude of marketing, but let's just treat it like an actual ad, and let's talk through it. First of all, a little too long. It's not gonna fit in the 30 seconds of a traditional ad on television. Also, the tone, it's the wrong tone. The tone is very earnest, and it's not being intentionally bad, it's trying to be good. It's not really in on the joke that it's a bad ad. And then we have the same issue with the agency ad. It's highlighting employees of the company, but who cares? And if the whole thing is about great customer service with this small local company, why aren't they highlighting the customer service aspect? It's trying to get local businesses, but then the messaging is they're going global. They're going across the world, the paper airplanes flying around the globe and they're sending messages. The goal of this is to get small Pennsylvania businesses to sign up to order paper from Dunder Mifflin. On the copy side, where good news moves at the speed of time, that doesn't make sense. And then that limitless paper in a paperless world. It sounds kind of cool, but it's not a great tagline for your company. It's admitting that they're obsolete. But there's something there that you could just kind of tweak a little bit to make a better tagline. Something about how paper connects us, something like where people and paper meet. You put people first before paper. It's the most important aspect of Dunder Mifflin. It's the customer service. It's the personal touch. And they're meeting with you and they're connecting you with paper. It was almost there. And then I realized that there was a third ad or a third part of an advertising campaign that actually hit on what I think they should have done. I'll let Darryl take it away.
Out of paper, out of stock. There's friendly faces around the block. Break loose from the chains that are causing you pain. Call Michael and Stanley, Jim, Dwight, Creed. Call Andy and Callie for your business paper needs. Dunder Mifflin, people, persons, paper, people. Dunder Mifflin, the people, persons,
Time out.
That has everything in the jingle about the messaging that should work. Friendly faces around the block. They're saying they're local. They're naming the people, and then, they have to massage part of the lyrics, but the people, persons, paper people is kind of close to where people and paper meet. They just gotta tweak it a little bit.
I don't hate it. I just don't like it at all. And it's terrible.
I gotta push back against Michael. I really liked that. If he only gave Darryl a shot, if they only produced that ad, would they have been still acquired by Sabre? Would we be having a different conversation if Darryl's commercial was produced? What do you think? Give me an alternate timeline. Give me a multiverse Dunder Mifflin world if Darryl's commercial were produced. So that was the copywriting ad breakdown of Dunder Mifflin Infinity. Hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to subscribe. I'll talk to you later.
out of paper, out of stock. There's friendly faces around the block. Break loose from the chains that are causing you pain. Call Mike and Stanley, Jim, Dwight, and Creed. Call Andy and Kelly for your business paper needs.